Hi, in this video, I want to show you from Excel, you actually can access a lot of the templates that Microsoft have built in. So when you first open Excel, you can click on New, and then in this search bar here, there's a search for Office templates. There's some suggested searches: business, personal, planners and trackers, list, budgets, charts, and calendars. So let's say if I click under personal, one that I like to look at is that net worth summary. So let's look at this. I just click into it, click create. You see that this is like the overall dashboard that they built, and with this is linked into the other tabs. The purple one, assets. So if we click onto that, so if you type in, they say cash on hand 2,000. Let's say I actually only have 350, but checking account I have 9,000. You see that it automatically updates over here. Same, let's say the stocks I have 35,000. Bonds I have 10,000, 20,000. Everything automatically updates here and also in the main dashboard. So is liabilities. We have the secured loans and the unsecured loans. So as you update these, you would see that this dashboard and also the main dashboard would update. Another one that I think was pretty cool that you can look at. So again, I click on new and then search. One that I really like is a weekly schedule planner. So if I hit create, I know they sell this on Etsy, but if you want something fancy, you don't want to spend a lot of money, you can just enter in the week that you're looking at over here. You can type in your weekly objectives, to-do items, deadlines that you have this week, and for every single day of the week, you can just type in the action items that you want to do and other specific notes. So there you have it. You have all of these templates that Microsoft have created, probably over 1,000 of them. Every time you want to just look at a template, you don't want to create a new one for yourself, just click on search for online templates, and you can find even invoices here, timelines, projects, and calendars that you have readily available for you for free.